What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. I'm at my favorite customer house, putting in a trap door. We're gonna add a trap door right here. Let's go inside the loft.
What's up, gang? Hello.
What we have in here is doves and pigeons, mardanes. They some big ones. My favorite customer needs some help on the trap door. So we're gonna set up the trap door right here. It's a little tight. It's a little tight in here. See, can we get it? Like, we got some purchase set up in the back. We just got doves, pigeons, all kind of stuff in here. I guess the doves and the pigeons get along pretty good.
But they in ours though.
So
We got a mom
we
and a
got,
dad. They don't get that.
that's the dove pen right here.
I want to see.
I built that. She must be sitting on some eggs because she not moving. And we just got all kind of stuff in here. Big ordains on the floor.
That's what the big ones are.
Yeah.
Okay, what down here? We got the regular
Close that door, Papa. I'm gonna try to get over here to this. I'm trying to get over here. See what they got over this way.
Make it work. I want to see some baby, bro.
We got some more purchase set up right there.
Big ordain.
Oh, there goes some big babies down there.
But these some big ordains. So what to the food? They eat that much, people? Look at that big ordain right there.
Got another baby over there.
What's in this box?
Another
Oh
dove.
my god, that is flying crazy in here.
Another
Like, chill
dove
out, bro.
housing. And over here we have the ordained housing, nest bowls. Got some more nesting back
I
there.
want to see a baby right here. Why do I look like a baby hamster from right here?
They got a little sunroom over there they can go to. Water and food.
Why so
Get
bright?
some sun.
There goes a big hole down. He must be the king. Why you right? That hurts.
Some big old meat birds.
Well, you didn't check this one out in the box. You checked that one?
Yeah, so I all these was my birds at one point in time. It's my favorite customer that always come and help out.
Really?
All the way deep down in Mississippi. Well, we North Mississippi.
But these big birds are
Yeah, I remember him up there. I had that one, and then she breeded a lot of them. So
I remember him. I like him. Wait, do you used to have him?
all right, we getting out of here. All right, gang. So I'm just showing you the before and after pictures of that trap door I'm setting up right there. Me and Poppy setting it up.
Finley's lifestyle.
Alright gang, we finished up with the trap door. So we got the in and the out. We got a little porch, small little porch, because space is limited here. Haven't let anybody out yet. That's not my job. My job was just to make the door. So I think about the trap door, in and out. Bam. So this is the coop.
We got Queen and we got
Got a little sun door right here. Couple hens.
we got Queen and I think that's I forgot.
All right, gang. What y'all think about the door? What you think about the loft with the mix of birds, doves, and ordained pigeons? What y'all think about that? So
You got lost or
we out.
You got a lost